Hi everyone, it's Amy here. You have studied the information about trading robots and decided to use one of them. Surely you will immediately face the question, which one to choose. At first it looks like there is no difference between them at all. They do exactly the same thing. Each robot searches for profitable trade opportunities, sets take profits and stop losses, closes the trade and moves on to a new one. But then, what is the difference between robots and why are there so many of them? Now I will tell you how to choose the right trading robot, which will help you get a stable passive income. Me and my team have created the trading robot, which has already earned $160,000. Many of my subscribers have already connected my trading robot and get passive income. If you want to join, follow the link in the description. I will personally help you to connect the robot and you will start getting passive income today. Click the link, connect the robot and get a stable passive income. So the top 5 key factors that you should definitely consider when choosing a robot. Let's go. The first point is the reliability of the developer. Before you study the robot's technical elements, its strategies and so on, find out who developed the robot. You may have come across a program made by people who are not trading experts. Of course, there is no point in expecting any effective results from their robot. Always check the reputation of the developers and the results of their past activities. If you see that the developer lacks credibility, don't take any risks. The robot will not work and you will hardly get any help from technical support. When my team and I were developing the robot, we spent a long time testing and analyzing the results so that we could introduce the best product on the market to the audience, which I personally would feel 100% confident about. We had credibility. People knew who I was and what results I had achieved. If the robot turned out badly, my reputation would have been literally destroyed. Always look for developers who value their reputation and who have proven that their words can be trusted. The second important factor is the robot's performance. Be sure to study the robot's past trades. The most reliable proof is showing you an account on MyFX book. This is a service for Forex account monitoring. The service allows you to see the moment the robot was connected to the account and what profit was made over this period. This is a common thing for every experienced trader. You need to know its profitability, the ratio of profitable and non-profitable trades, maximum possible drawdowns, and so on. If the robot's history is hidden, it's a reason to be alarmed. When a developer knows that his robot is efficient and is sure to bring income, he will not hide the trade's history. Take a close look at the charts and the numbers over time. This is exactly how the robot will trade after you buy it. If you are satisfied with the numbers, time frame, and performance, the robot can be connected. But before drawing conclusions about the robot's performance, it's necessary to understand a few important technical issues. For example, many traders have questions about drawdowns. People do not understand how to treat them and why there are quite a lot of drawdowns so often. Also, do not forget about risk management. You should understand if it's well organized, how efficient it is, and how the robot uses it. The robot should always work to save your money and multiply it. In this video, I explain in detail what drawdowns are and show some of the features of drawdowns using our robot as an example. There, I explain why drawdowns are the normal thing and why my robot will make profit in any case. Be sure to learn more about this topic to understand how to correctly interpret the robot's results and to make sure you don't make a mistake when choosing the right trading program. The third important factor is developer support. Almost all traders sometimes need help when working with the robot. The developer should be available to answer questions from his users. If the relationship with the developer ends at the stage of connecting the robot, you may not expect results. If you have questions, always ask the developers. Ask clarifying questions. Be as detailed as possible. Support is as much a part of the work for the robot developers as the program development itself. I understand that help from developers is especially important at the first stage of connecting the robot. A trader needs to understand the interface, see the first trades of the robot on the account, understand how the robot works in general. That is why I personally help help to connect the robot and start working with it. If a person suddenly faces problems at the early stage of working with the robot, there's a chance that he or she will give up working with the robot altogether. Therefore, support is very important. Choose only those developers who are in touch with traders. The fourth factor in choosing a robot is traders' feedback. It's unlikely that you will be the first person to buy the robot. Be sure to study what traders who have already used the robot have to say. Make sure that these are real reviews from real users. The developer can promise you anything, so it's worth paying attention to the real people's reviews. As a rule, people always write about errors and negative aspects of the robot. If there is a bug in the robot, someone has definitely already come across it. This is the information you can get from the reviews. Try to pay close attention to detailed reviews where the trader talks in detail about his experience or gives some tips. If the robot has no reviews, then it may not be as efficient as the developer tells you. It's better to look for programs that have at least a few reviews. I believe that feedback is one of the most effective ways to prove to traders that a robot really works well. Everyone can read the reviews for my robot. For example, here they are. So reviews are the fourth important factor in choosing a trading robot. The fifth factor is the correct choice of a broker. This is a technical point. Be sure to find out where the robot trades and whether the broker is right for you. If the robot is really good, you should think about changing brokers and moving to the one where the robot trades. I know a few traders who have switched to other brokers and have been satisfied. But there are several factors to consider, and you need to understand whether you're ready to dive into learning about a new broker to work with the chosen robot, or whether you would prefer to choose the robot that trades on the broker you're used to. Be sure to research this technical matter. Now you know how to not make a mistake when choosing a trading robot. You should never be in a hurry to choose a program. This is a very important thing because if you make a mistake when choosing one, you risk losing a lot of money and time. In addition, you have a great chance of running into scammers who want to steal your money. Therefore, when choosing a robot, check if it meets all the above-mentioned criteria. If you want to learn more about my trading robot, you can watch my past videos where I explain everything about my personal product in detail. If you want to connect my trading robot, as many of my subscribers have already done, follow the link in the description. I will personally help you connect my trading robot absolutely for free. You will start getting passive income today. Your trading experience doesn't matter. The robot is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. The robot never sleeps and always trades. It calculates all risks as accurately as possible so that you always make profit. It will allow you not to think about trading every second and be confident about your profit. This is very important for your mental health as well. Right now, follow the link in the description, connect my trading robot and start getting a stable passive income. Subscribe to the channel to never miss a new video. There are a lot of interesting things in store for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. It was me, Amy. I hope you will be watching the next video with a stable passive income. See you later.